Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. So this one we have 2s dv equals to ds. The integration of this one we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration 2s squared over s squared minus number 1 ds. So I will put number 2 going here. So we need to put negative number 1. Later that we need to put back positive number 1. So this one divide by this one, we have number 1. Next, this one that is about identities. So I will put s minus 1 multiplied by s plus 1. So we need to put number 2 on numerator and denominator. So number 2 that is about 1 plus 1. So we need to add s in here. Later that we need to minus about s. So this one we can do about factorization by negative number 1, and we have like this. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1 s plus 1 divide by s plus 1, we have number 1, and now we have 1 over s minus number 1 minus 1 over s plus 1. Next, the integration of number 1 that is about s. The integration of this one we have Ln of the absolute value of s minus number 1, and the last one that is about positive s plus number 1. So number 2 multiplied by this one, so we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.